I'm going to be showing you the 5 DIY hair masks that you can make at home and that you need in your life. Hey guys, what's up? It's Alaina, back at it with another hair video for you guys. Since you guys loved my hair video from a couple weeks ago, I figured I'd bring you another easy DIY tips and tricks to save your hair. So let's get into it. First mask that you honestly need for your hair, I have said this a bunch of times, a basic coconut oil mask. Now, this mask is amazing for healing your damaged hair, making it shine, and making it even stronger than it was. I honestly use this hair mask like at least once a week. It makes my hair super soft, super shiny, and just feel like brand new. I would highly recommend this one if you're just trying to upscale your hair and make it very moisturized and very soft and strong. Another very moisturizing mask is to use the coconut oil, but mixed with olive oil. So I just went ahead and I mixed it up for you guys because I was going to try this one out on myself because I have a couple other times and it's honestly changed my hair. The olive oil makes my hair so much stronger and I see a major difference when I use this mask. I would recommend just applying this mask towards the mid to ends of your hair. If you've heard the term mayonnaise heals your hair, that saying's not wrong because honestly, mayonnaise is very moisturizing towards your hair and it heals it. I would honestly use this if you have super drying hair and you really need that moisture in there. I would do the olive oil and mayonnaise recipe. So this one is for the major damaged hair. Just take a little bowl, mix your olive oil in there, throw some mayonnaise in there, and throw it in your hair. Leave it on for about 10 to 15 minutes, maybe even overnight if your hair is really damaged, and then wash it out the next morning. Now if you guys have seen my hair, I have really long hair. It's in a braid right now, but if you have seen my hair on Instagram or on any social media or on my videos, my hair has grown in the last 6 months tremendously, and it was honestly from this mask, the apple cider vinegar with olive oil mask. Now this one is amazing for hair growth if you're trying to get that beautiful, strong, healthy looking shiny locks. I use this one about once every 3 weeks or so. This one just helps grow your hair tremendously. I don't know how it does or why it does, but my hair has grown crazy since I've been using this mask. It does stink a little bit, but the hair growth is worth it. I would recommend putting this one mainly in your scalp because obviously your scalp is where your hair comes from. And I would just recommend you massaging it in for about 5 to 10 minutes, leaving it in overnight, and then washing out the next morning. It's honestly the best if you do it that way. But you can do it any way you want. Leave it on 15 minutes at least, and then wash it out. Now with the coconut oil mask and the olive oil mask, I usually don't tend to put conditioner in my hair just because it acts as a conditioner as well because my hair is very oily, but if you do have dry hair, make sure to put conditioner in after you wash it out. The next one that made my hair grow too, I used the apple cider vinegar with the olive oil, but I tried another one out that I saw on some random websites online when I looked up how to grow my hair, and this one was amazing. I kid you not. What I did is I'd switch on and off from the apple cider vinegar to this mask. This one is olive oil mixed with eggs. Yes, I said eggs. Obviously, you hopefully would have this in your kitchen. All you gotta do, crack up some eggs, probably just one would do, and mix some olive oil in there, whip it up together, lather it all over your hair, more towards the ends because it's eggs and I would recommend putting it on the ends. Obviously washing your hands because we don't want E. coli, you know, not fun. And then wrapping it up in a bun because you don't want egg yuck getting everywhere, or doing it 15 minutes before you get in the shower. I would not recommend sleeping in this one just because eggs and grossness. I wouldn't recommend sleeping in the mayonnaise one either just because it smells really bad. And I wouldn't want your sheets to smell because that would just be a no-go. So yeah, just wash it out and you will honestly have the best results on hair growth. Now here's a disclaimer. Everyone's hair is obviously different in texture and moisture and dryness and everything. I'm not telling you exactly what is going to work for your hair. Some masks may work for your hair, some masks may don't. It honestly depends on your hair. Those are the masks that work the best for me personally, but I will say that they will definitely make a difference in your hair. Now, I just gave you my go-to 5 DIY hair masks just because those are the best ones that work for my hair personally. I do have a few more. If you guys want some more tips, Cooper. If you guys want some more tips or any more hair mask videos or DIY hair masks that you can do at home, then let me know in the comments down below. And here is the shout out of the video. I love you so much. Thank you for commenting, and be sure to comment in this video so you can be featured in one of my upcoming videos. Don't forget to hit that bell so you can be notified when I post another video. I post every Mondays and Thursdays at 12 p.m. Let me know if you guys like this background because I've honestly tried to switch it up a little bit. And if you hear any dogs in the background, that is my dog barking. I'm very sorry about that. Let me know if this video was helpful to you. And be sure to follow all my socials because I would love to personally chat with you guys. And I have been thinking about doing another giveaway, so let me know if I should do one of those because honestly, we've been growing our Glam Fam and we just want to grow it some more and I want to give back to you guys. And I am starting my college classes soon. Let me know if you guys want a day in the life as a college student or anything like that. I love you guys and I will see you in a couple days. Bye! Let's go ahead and roll some bloopers. It does stink. I broke my nail.